We went to Ocean Beach and saw the most sea foam that I've literally ever seen on the beach. Just wait till you see this. It looks like somebody dumped like 100,000 gallons of dish soap into the ocean. We went a couple hours before sunset, but it almost looked like the sun was already trying to set, and the birds were flying around, the waves were rolling in. Ocean Beach stretches across such a huge area that there are so many spots to just sit and relax, and you can kind of get away from people. Like, you won't be right there in someone's space. I love the natural beauty and how it's like very exclusive and there's privacy. We were about to leave the beach, but I told my husband, I'm like, let me go down to the water real quick and just take a look, get some videos of the sun going down. And I did not expect to see all of this sea foam, and I don't think anyone else did either, because everyone was like taking videos of it. And we were sitting way up the beach, and so we couldn't see this at all. So when I walked down to the beach, I was not expecting to see all of this sea foam. I've lived on the coast my entire life, and never have I seen anything quite like this. So the further I walk, the more sea foam that keeps collecting and collecting and collecting. And I was just like walking right up to it, and it was rolling in. And Ocean Beach is really cool too, because I'm not sure if they allow dogs or not, but a lot of people had their dogs, and the dogs were having so much fun just like running through this sea foam. Right across the street from Ocean Beach, right here, is this little restaurant slash brewery called Beach Chalet. Definitely go check that place out. They have really, really good like craft beers that they make in-house. There's a really good view of the beach from the windows, and a lot of people were eating food, and it looked really good. We didn't try the food, but we definitely will go back and try it next time.